The Ilovfeot Nonstick Frying Pan Skillet, 8-inch, is a great addition to any kitchen. It makes cooking eggs and omelets a breeze. Food slides right off the surface. And cleanup is super easy. You won't have to scrub hard after breakfast. The pan heats up quickly and evenly, so your food cooks perfectly. The handle stays cool to the touch. This makes your cooking experience safer and more comfortable. This Ilovfeot Nonstick Frying Pan Skillet, 8-inch, boasts some useful features. Its non-stick coating is made without harmful chemicals like APEO and PFOA. This gives you peace of mind while you cook for yourself and your family. The granite finish looks nice and seems durable. It works on different kinds of stovetops, including induction. This makes it a versatile tool for any home chef. You can find many positive rates for this pan on Amazon.com. For its size, the Ilovfeot Nonstick Frying Pan Skillet, 8-inch, is quite handy. It's perfect for single servings or small side dishes. The heat-resistant handle gives you a good grip. It feels secure in your hand as you flip your food. While it might not last a lifetime, it offers good value for its price. It's a simple yet effective pan that can make your daily cooking a smoother experience. It's a reliable kitchen utensil for anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims. The OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, granite design, stone cookware, heat-resistant handle, APEO free, PFOA free, induction compatible. Omelet pan use, egg pan use. Cons: might scratch easily. Hand wash recommended. Low to medium heat advised. Avoid metal utensils. Don't use high heat. No extreme temp changes. Coating material unclear. Aluminum may warp. Features: non-stick frying pan 8-inch, egg pan, omelet pan, granite fry pan, stone cookware. Heat-resistant handle, APEO free, PFOA free. This Ilovfeot frying pan is an 8-inch skillet that is great for eggs and omelets because it has a non-stick surface made of granite. This stone cookware is designed to be easy to clean and safe to use since it doesn't have harmful chemicals called APEO and PFOA. It also has a handle that doesn't get too hot and can be used on induction stoves. This 8-inch Ilovfeot frying pan has a non-stick surface with a granite design and a heat-resistant handle. It's good for making eggs and omelets and works on induction stoves. However, the non-stick might scratch easily, so it's best to wash it by hand and only use low to medium heat with non-metal tools. You should also avoid big temperature changes. And keep in mind that the exact material of the non-stick coating isn't clear, and the aluminum base could possibly warp over time.